temperature has come up. I'm getting excited already. And whether it was going to affect the likes of Lorenzo's front tyre. We saw it in Phillip Island. Will we see it again here in Sepang? Here comes Rossi. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. He'll take no prisoners, and the roar is run wide, but not enough. It's going to be
hold it.
A shootout down to the left-hander. Rossi holds it, Marquez wants it. These two, no love lost anymore. It's a straight war between these two.
I did not expect to see that.
You see
Marquez lose the rear there.
Marquez lost the rear. He got on the gas and round it went. We've seen him down his elbow.
He's got problems. He can't make that.
He tore his elbow out in qualifying. If you saw that particular footage, it was unbelievable. He should have gone down. He didn't go down. And now Marquez is chasing Valentino Rossi. Rossi limits the damage that Lorenzo is inflicting at this point.